you strike, and I have to die. I'm just a song, a breath, a feather. I won't keep your bones together. There are bigger wings in the forest deep, better harvest for you to reap. Let me go and I'll sing your praise. Let me live for a few more days. I hear the music, I hear the fear. Hunger is the only sound I hear. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Feel the gravity, feel the push. I won't let go of the certain prize for a bigger dream in distant skies. Justice is a story that the hungry tell, but the grip of the talon is the truth of the spell. You're talking about potential, talking about scale, telling me a disruptive fairy tale. Wait for the echo, wait for the trend, while I'm holding the it right here, my friend. I don't care about the birds in the clouds or the empty cheers of the ghost town crowds. I've got the equity, I've got the kill, and a bird in the talons is a hunger fill. The nightingale sings of what could be. The hawk only sees what is there to see. Logic is cold when the belly is thin. The one who is holding is the one who will win. The gravity, feel the push. I won't let go of the certain prize for a bigger dream in distant skies. The song stops, the grip stays tight. There's no mercy in the middle of the night.